65 easy vegan recipes for beginners. Easy one-pot meals, soups, stir-fries, curries, burgers, pizza, tacos, breakfast and dessert to get you started on your journey. Gluten-free soy-free nut-free options. Transitioning into and maintaining a vegan diet can have its challenges in the beginning. It can get overwhelming at times. To replace some loved meals, try new ingredients, flavors and textures. Here are a few choice recipes from the blog to help you out. Many are one-bowl, 30-minute easy recipes, some longer depending on your cooking experience. There are quick pastas, veggie bakes, soups, curries, stir-fries, noodles, bowls. There are burgers, tacos, pizza. Also breakfast sweet and savory, and some desserts to please everyone. There's something for everyone, many different flavors, cooking styles, ingredients, options. Let's keep those plans we made in Gen to eat well rolling along. Do let me know in the comments about which recipes you found easy and accessible. Looking for something specific? Check my recipe index. Also check out my cookbooks for even more options and inspiration, available everywhere in the world and often also in libraries. Pasta and baked. Asian inspired. Curries and stews. Bowls, all GF. Fried rice and noodle stir fries. Tacos and sandwiches. Pizzas. Breakfast. Desserts all have GF options listed in the recipe post. Like these recipes, then get my cookbooks filled with amazing allergy-friendly